Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn sorting of data by digits. Here you see the data is 152823410235 and so on. We have to sort data by digit wise, like its solution as under 101, then show 10235, then show 1111528. This data should be show as this kind. How can we use formula to show our result like that? Its formula is simple. We type equal to text bracket open, select this one, comma 0 and press enter and drag it. Same. We just use formula equal to text, range this, select this, comma 0. Then select the data, click on data, then click on sort button, sort by column B, click OK. Here sort numbers and numbers sorted as text separately. Sort numbers and numbers sorted as text separately. Select OK. Now you see our result is same as it is we required in solution 101 10235 11 1528 21 210 234. You see the formula we applied, we achieve the same result as we required. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any questions, you may freely comment us in comment box, and if you like this video, you may like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.